Alright, welcome back. Finished the playthrough 2 campaign last time, I think. Yeah, now the real grind starts, I guess. It's really all there is to do left. All there is to do. I don't know if I'm saying that right, my bad. Okay, alright, so just gotta start. Wicked Lacerator. Wait. Okay, so that's maxed out. I don't have to worry about that. I want a new... I guess I want a new or a purple rarity heavy gunner class mod with overload metal storm and another one, but I don't know what it would be. Maybe it's impact. I don't know. Does TK Baja have quests? Okay, I have another question. Can I farm dedicated legendaries from bosses? Like in Borderlands 2? Or is that not a thing here? I also have access to the wiki now, so that's gonna solve that problem. Okay. Colicky Skag. Querulous Skag Whelp. Path of Exile 2 talk. Well, not 2, 1. I'm finishing up the challenges. I think I'm at 19 out of 40. But they are mostly just like grinds. because I don't use like fragments as I'm progressing through the maps. So like I never do, even though I should, because it's extra loot, and extra loot means faster progress, but I'm just kind of a dingus. Bang, bang. What else do I have? I only have pistols. Oh. Dude, this caustic stuff is pretty good. Maybe not against the green ones because they're they have increased resistances, but to everything else, so it's pretty good. I made another character on, I guess, hour 48 of my first character of the league. I've decided to go with an Inquisitor because I got the new, one of the new belts, like one of the new shrine belts with gloom. So I looked up builds, and one of them was using the Inquisitor with the Gloom Shrine belt, and the Shock Nova or something, I think. But then I was like, oh, I don't have gear for this, and I need a farm. So I just sort of continued to play the Glacial Cascade Miner. And now I'm gonna start building the Inquisitor, but instead of going the Shock Nova, the skill, I think I'm just gonna use Death's Oath and just sort of make a mapper. Okay, the Glacial Cascade Miner, it is very strong, right? It is very strong. High DPS, good progression for like a League Star character, right? But I hate dying so much. It pisses me off. Oh, this is the thing? So, yeah. Gonna make an Inquisitor with the Gloom Shrine belt and Death's Oath. Do I know how to scale Death's Oath? I do not. but I have the wiki, so it is okay. Is this the Eric Badlands? No. Also, I like this like Mongolian vocal type of music, type of song. It's pretty good. Like the bass soundtrack. It's like a throat singing cat. It's pretty funny, dude. Oh, one of the achievements, if it is even an achievement that I feel like will be difficult to get, will be to defeat Cromorax the Invincible, because I haven't really farmed raid bosses, and the one raid boss I did farm in Borderlands 2 was I think it was Hyperius. But I only farmed him to get Seraph Gems for the achievements, I think.
Alright, we got guns over here.
Thing exploded. What am I missing? Oh. Yeah, see this song, the one with like the banjo instrument in the background, it's pretty good. And that part right there where it goes into like a little loop reminds me of a cat. Of like those scared cats that go, no, 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 no. It's pretty funny. Or at least I think it's pretty funny. What? Oh. Is that a legendary or is that money? It's money. Dose? Dose? I missing something? Oh. Man, Skags are so freaking weird. Look at him, he's dancing. He's two-stepping. Come on, legendary.
That was all me.
Dang. 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 $42, 333, 180. I can't tell if that's good. So I'll just take it for now. Swift Masher. Hold on a minute. Every 3 seconds, right? And deploy. Now that I have enough damage, do I care about magazine size? I don't think I do. I might have to reload more often, but I think that's okay. I also don't care about that skill either. The stockpile skill. But I also want stat. Tricky, tricky. I guess that's it for now. That's good for now. Oh, also, the course, right? Like a Unity C# course. I got home on, was it like Saturday morning, like 1 a.m. Is that okay? Is 1 a.m. night considered night, or is it considered morning? Anyway, got home, started doing coursework. I spent about 6 hours dilly-dallying, twiddling my fingers, I guess you could say. And then I spent about another like 2 hours trying to complete the assignment. And when I finally completed the assignment and I looked at the code that I added to like the provided program, 2 scripts, right? Okay, one script out of my face, and one sprite added. Bruh, 8 hours. Like maybe 16 lines of code. I was like, what what do you mean? This is it? Though, although most of that time was sort of spent attempting once again to read the documentation. I don't understand. I don't understand it yet. I'll get there eventually, but it's just like, oh, dude, Bandit Desperado. What does Desperado mean? Fuming stunted shotgunner. You think he's fuming because he's stunted? Or is he stunted and he's just fuming? I have some grenades, man.
I love this damn thing.
Is there like a range? Like a range limit to how far you can be? That's another thing. I don't know how to explain things. But
This'll help.
oh! Oh, what is that? Scoped Firehawk. Melon. Prepare to get cooked like bacon, dingus. Oh, it's a repeater. Damn. I think it's up here. Okay, back to the thing I was trying to say. This spawns, right? Gives me ammo every 3 seconds. If I'm like over here, does this still give me ammo? Oh, it does. How far can I be? Okay, is there a limit to like the distance? I don't, words, man, words. Is okay. This guy's stuck. Super bad, more like super stuck.
Always room for more loot.
Iridian. Yo, think I've got it. Is there a limit to how far I can be before this stops sending me resupplies of ammo? Yes. Okay. It's like, it's like a two turret radii distance. Yeah. I don't know what I'm saying, dude. Is that a checkpoint? Catch a ride. Bruce McClain. No, it's down there. No, it's up there now. Dude. What? Oh,
It's like having another soldier on the field.
ew. I feel like I saw if I like experienced that in real life, I'd probably shit my pants. Bruce McClain is dead, just as his fiance feared. You found it. You found a handwritten journal on his corpse. Perhaps it will shed some light on how he met his end. Okay. In the journal, Bruce described a scam where he gathered local plant leaves, rolled them into cigars, and then sold them to bandits while claiming they were prized off-world tobacco. With the money, he hoped to marry his fiancée and take her. Take her where? I need answers, man.
You never have enough stuff.
Liquid Thunder. Hey, yo. Is this Bruce? Damn, Bruce. You kind of remind me of Eric. Bandit Executioner. Ooh, I like that fire rate. Ooh. Oh! Alright, so I had to make an object spawn a projectile, right? I had to make the projectile not collide with itself and not collide with the object that it's being shot from. I needed to also make the bullet screen wrap, which is just having the ability to go from one edge of the screen and then, so okay, if it goes to the left, right, and it goes out of view from the left, then it comes back into view from the right. That's screen wrapping. And then I had to have the object destroy itself after 2 seconds. And the hardest part was having the projectile spawn from the object with the object's orientation, like rotation and like direction, I think, and position. I think it's position. And screen wrapping was easy because there was already a script provided that helped with that. Does this? Oh, I like that. Gotta stop hitting T. What was I saying? Screen wrapping was easy because, you know, script already provided within the project. Having the object get destroyed after a set amount of time was easy too, because within the Unity referencing manual, or like scripting reference, there was already a method that allowed you to destroy the object. You just pretty simple. Screen wrapping. Oh, having the objects not collide with each other was somewhat simple too. What? Dang. Initially, I was like, okay, we'll just have I'll just. Oh my god, I can't speak. And it is impact. Okay, cool. Just have the. I'm spacing out, man. I'm spacing out. I'll just have the objects, the game objects, and projectiles share the same tag and layer, but that doesn't inherently prevent them from colliding with each other. So then I spent like a good hour trying to have them not collide, and then I asked Copilot, okay, so I've done all this. How do I keep these things from colliding? Where am I going? And it's like, oh, yeah, just having layers and the same tags doesn't inherently prevent them from colliding. What you need to do is go into the collision matrix and unmark them from colliding with each other, sort of deal. Where? What? Oh. So I was like, okay. Because I completely forgot about the collision matrix thingy. It's just boop boop, just unclick them so they don't collide, and it just solved the problem. But the hardest part was
Always room for more loot.
having the projectiles spawn, because when I first did it, or when I first had them spawn, they were just spawning within the scene, right? And at the center of the scene. Because I didn't know how to have them spawn from the game object that I wanted them to spawn from. And then, so I was like, okay, blah 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 blah, instantiate all this stupid things, which sounds complicated, but it's really simple. You just use the instantiate method, parentheses, and then put in your arguments, right? But I didn't know that because I'm kind of a dingus and I wasn't paying attention throughout the course. But yeah, you just use the method that's already pre-made or pre-built. Hold on. Give it like the arguments it needs, and then I had to like do it within the actual like object, like the ship object, right? Not the projectile script. I was just like, man, I thought it was all supposed to be in the bullet, in the projectile, but no. So then I managed to eventually
Target hit.
have the projectile spawn from the object, but then a problem I encountered while doing that was
This'll help.
the projectiles are spawning from the object, right? But they weren't spawning in the correct orientation. They would come out sideways from the side of the object. And I was like, God damn it, dude. So then in the prefab, like the prefabricated object, I oriented, I just rotated the ship sprite, or the bullet sprite, thinking that would fix it, but then it came out like inverted, and I was like, what do you mean? And I asked Copilot, and he was like, oh yeah, you just gotta do all this thing. Ooh. No, Copilot, stop. I didn't mean to talk to you. Bruh. 1 second. Man, that was like a Voldemort sort of situation. You can't speak its name. I spoke its name and it popped up. It's kind of scary. What's up here? Nothing. That's in there, right? It's like right there. I bungered. Man. What was I talking about? Oh yeah, the rotation, the orientation at which you came out. So then apparently you need to make a child of the parents game object, which I didn't know, and I was like, what do you mean? What? This is a thing? They didn't teach me about this in the course. So then I did that. And it fixed the issue. So because the child is like the spawn point from which the bullet or the projectile will get shot from, instead of having it get spawned from the center of the game object. And I was just like, what do you mean, dude? What? Blast Stinger. That might be kind of fun. Hello, Eric. It's kill or be killed. Yo mama. I wish... Oh, another thing. In Borderlands 2, the transfusions are elemental. So, but not here. They're not elemental. Which is another cool thing. No! I keep hitting T. Good fight, man. Good fight. A worthy opponent. Where's his eyes? Do like super bad or like elemental Skags not have eyes? Little tail. What is that, like a suspension sort of deal? What? That's crazy, dude. What are these, like exhausts? Is that how he can like stay on fire? It's like a burning engine. That's pretty cool, man. What is that? only 3 rounds of this, right? It's not like Borderlands 2 where there's like 5 of these. Man.
It's like having another soldier on the field.
Oh right, we can. What is that? Is that like the super bad? No, that looks like the elemental one, the lightning, or the shock. Oh man, I bungered it. There's another one. What do you mean? Yeah, I don't think I like this. It's a little too, kind of weird, man. I don't know. Oh, and since I'm gonna spec into this, I should probably get another class mod. Grenade. Oh, grenade. Grenade. That poor armored skag just transfusioned to death. Got a question. Can you beat Crommerax with grenades? Is that a thing? Like just straight up transfusion grenades? Or would you die to damage before that can happen? I think it would be slow. Beating Crommerax with transfusions at 4 a.m. gone wrong? At 3 a.m.? Or then, like, another title could be I beat Crommerax with 67 transfusions. It's like what the hell? Right, back to this. I think I'd rather take healing. Rub Bryce, Incendiary, yeah, it's 3. Okay, cool. Incendiary. Bam! 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 Turret! Bam! 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 Does having a dot applied to, like, Skags count as me shooting them?
Like having another
Can't
soldier on
tell.
the field.
I also need to keep shooting or else I don't have my turret up in time. Okay, okay. So these Iridian artifacts only drop from elemental weapons? I mean, enemies? Weapons. Ooh. Rifleman. 20. The electrocute class mod is the one that gives you Grenadier, right? Might wanna look for that next time. For now, I will just turn these in. Oh, Muggle.
I'll TC the vehicle.
Oh, and then maybe, yeah. I was gonna say maybe I should just farm for a Grenadier class mod, but I might have more luck just sort of completing the quests and having one drop, because I don't think they're that uncommon.
Thanks to you.
TK Bajas. Angry Sweeper. Damn. Six magazine? What do you mean? Ugh, get out of my face. Ooh. Also, why are some legendaries more orange than others while some are more yellow? Why is that?
I keep the medical equipment working, more or less.
Okay, until next time.